Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the fractional part of a group. So in that case, that's when I have a big whole number like 15. And I'm multiplying that with a fraction. So let's say 2/3 times 15. Now remember, x multiplying, you're going to think of it as of. So I'm taking 2/3 of 15. All right, so now this is 15 wholes. Think of it as cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 15 cupcakes. I have to take 2/3 of this whole. Well, normally, when you see 2/3, you think of a cake, you cut it up into threes, and you shade 2. We're essentially doing the same thing, but with a group. So, the first thing I did with my cake is I cut it into threes. Well, I'm going to put 15 into 3 groups. All right? Now, this is where the part gets tricky and where you need to know your facts. I know if I broke 15 up into 3 groups, that's saying 15 divided by 3. Remember, I'm taking 15 and breaking it up into 3 groups, just like I took my cake and I broke it up into 3 pieces. My denominator tells me how many groups I need. So I know 15 divided by 3 is 5. Remember, think backwards. 5 times 3 is 15, so 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that means it's going to be 5 in each of my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, now I have 3 groups. I'm taking 2/3 of 15. So just like I shaded in 2 pieces, I'm taking 2 of these groups. So if I took 2 of these groups, that means I took 5, 10 cupcakes. And that's my answer. All right, so let's try another one. Remember, this is when our whole numbers are bigger, like 20. So say I'm doing 3/4 times 20. All right, so I have my 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. I'm taking 3/4 of 20. Well, in order to take 3/4 of it, I have to split my 20 up into 4 groups. Well, I know 20 split up into 4 groups. 20 divided by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is 5. So that means there's 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. 4 groups. 4 groups. I'm taking 3 of these groups. 1, 2, 3. So if I took 3 of the groups, that's 5, 10, 15. Now, don't get this confused with multiplying fractions and whole numbers when the whole numbers are smaller. That's a different strategy, and we'll learn that tomorrow.